Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Nishioeda, doctor of the Italian Embassy in Tokyo. I hope everyone is fine in this moment. Today I'd like to show you how to make a disposable mask using a synthetic gauzes like this in a few seconds. This gauze is made from unwoven tissue and 25 centimeters square, 5 inches square, and it is already folded like this. So cut just 10 centimeters, 4 inches, 1 centimeter, half inches from the board. Folding in two and cut here with scissors. And put another gauze or tissue paper and fold both sides if it is needed. Voila, let's try. Like this. And if it is not enough for your face, please cut another 10 centimeters to widen the size. Thank you. Goodbye.